B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering. Course subjects, careers, job roles and future scope. Hello everyone. Fellow learners and future engineers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Enlighten JEE, where we explore the exciting world of engineering and technology. Aerospace engineering is the primary field of engineering concerned with the design, development, maintenance, safety, and study of science behind various aircraft, spacecraft, and related systems and equipment. If you are an aspiring student who wants to become an aerospace engineer, you are at the right place. In this video, we cover an overview of the B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering. B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering is a 4-year undergraduate program that focuses on the development of aircraft and spacecraft. It consists of 2 primary branches: aeronautical engineering and astronautical engineering. The course blends the principles of aerodynamics, materials science, structural analysis, propulsion, avionics, and software to train students in designing and developing aerospace technologies. Aeronautical engineering focuses on the theory, technology, and practice of flight within the Earth's atmosphere. Astronautical engineering focuses on the science and technology of spacecraft and launch vehicles. Eligibility criteria. Educational qualifications. The minimum eligibility criteria for B.Tech Aerospace Engineering are to qualify 10+2 with physics, chemistry, and mathematics as compulsory subjects. Minimum marks. Typically, candidates need to secure 50% to 60% marks in their 10+2 examinations depending on the institution. Admission. Based on ranking in entrance exams such as JEE Main and JEE Advanced, for IITs, NITs, and other top engineering institutes, also state-level and institute-specific engineering entrance exams. Some colleges also offer direct admission based on 12th class marks. B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering includes mathematics, science, and aerospace engineering fundamentals. Design solutions for complex aerospace problems and design system components. IT tools for prediction and modeling in aerospace activities and understanding aerospace engineering and management principles. Curriculum and subjects. The curriculum for a 4-year B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering, usually divided into 8 semesters, cover a wide range of core subjects, including engineering mathematics, engineering physics, engineering chemistry, basic electrical engineering, computer programming and data structures, solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, aerodynamics, aircraft structures, propulsion, flight dynamics, control engineering, aerospace materials, avionics, flight mechanics, aircraft systems and instruments. These core subjects are normally included in a B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering, but the course curriculum may be different from one institute to another. Practical training. B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering includes workshops, industrial training or internships as part of the curriculum. These opportunities allow students to get hands-on experience with aircraft and spacecraft components, simulation software, wind tunnels, and other facilities. Specializations. Some institutes offer specializations within B.Tech Aerospace Engineering, allowing students to focus on areas like aeronautics, astronautics, propulsion, or avionics based on their interests and career goals. Career opportunities. Aerospace engineering graduates can pursue careers in various sectors, including aerospace companies, defense organizations, research institutions, government sectors, airlines, and space research institutions. Job roles. Aerospace engineering graduates can pursue job in various roles, such as aerospace engineer, aircraft design engineer, aerodynamics engineer, avionics engineer, propulsion engineer, flight test engineer, research scientist, astronautical engineer, spacecraft systems engineer. There are several well-known companies in the aerospace industry in India that offer opportunities for B.Tech graduates in aerospace engineering, such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Indian Space Research Organization, Bharat Electronics Limited, Tata Advanced Systems Limited, and L&T Aerospace. Graduates can explore a wide range of career opportunities in these companies, contributing to the growth and advancement of the aerospace sector in the country. The scope of B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering is vast and offers excellent career opportunities in India and abroad. With the ever-growing aviation and space industries, the demand for skilled aerospace engineers is expected to rise in the coming years. Aerospace engineering is a great choice for students who are passionate about aviation, space exploration, and innovation. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding career, then B.Tech in aerospace engineering is a great option for you. Thanks for joining us, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Enlighten JEE, where we explore the exciting world of engineering and technology.